When someone had plans to go on a safari on their birthday but instead got stuck at home in a lockdown, what do you do? Hi, my name is Riddhi Doshi and today I shall show you how to throw a classy safari themed sit down dinner with simple elements from your living room and your garden. I used different carpets and rugs, all in the shades of brown, beige and white. I used all neutral shades for the table decor. The table was made of scraped pine wood. To add a little color to the table, I used metal trunks and buckets and filled it with wild flowers and fruits. Used a lot of candles and elements like globe, trucks, photo frames that added to the symmetry of the table. To add more rustic touch to the table, I used materials like jute and wicker. Simple plates with napkins with an easy knot, a little personalization gave the table an edge. Added a few macrame cushions and puffies for the guest to sit and to add that rustic look to the table. And there, an easy and quick table is styled. I would like to name the theme of this table Call of the Wind. I hope you enjoyed this video.